and all the dignitaries, and the prize money is already transferred online. Cash prize of rupees 5,000, and the second prize winner is Devatanaya De of class 6, Chakeswari Nodal UP School, Bhugarai Balesur. Devatanaya De of class 6. And Lohitans Patnaik of class 5 in Assis Public School, Cuttack. So that's Shit and Drum competition, senior level. The first prize goes to Kumari Adhyasa Bho of class 10, Chinmay Vidyalaya Raulkala. Of class 9, Government Girls High School, Thakur Munda Baripada. So we invite Maria Adhyasa Bho, Shavita Patra and Chandu Bho. In sit and draw competition at the senior level, the theme was Aquatic Animals of Odisha. And after that, we will invite the successful competitors in online quiz competition. The theme was 5,000 and rupees 3,000. As I have been said, respect. Saidi Pradhan, Sanskrita Saraswati Sahu was not been able to turn up. We congratulate Saidi Pradhan and Sanskrita Saraswati Sahu. Swaroop Negi. Sren Swaroop Negi is a student of class 11 at Jawaharlal Higher Secondary School, Patnagarh, Balangir. Second prize goes to Sarat Muguli, and the third one is Suchishmita Maharana, but both of them have not turned up. Photography competition 2000, first prize winner, and the rupees 6,000 to second prize winner, and rupees 4,000 to third winner, has already been sent online. Is the winner of the second prize in photography competition. The theme was parental care in wildlife. And the third prize is backed by Siddham Kumar Sethi. यहाँ पर अतिथि कार्यक्रमालय आयोजित पुस्तकर उन्मोचन पर वाइल्ड लाइफ क्राइम इन्वेस्टिगेशन मैनुअल बाय जॉइंट संगठन द्वारा एक गुरुत्वपूर्ण प्रकाशन जहाँ वन्यप्राणी अपराध को मुकाबला करने पर निर्देशावली प्रदान करे एवं एक गुरुत्वपूर्ण पुस्तकर आनुष्ठानिक लोकार्पण करुछंती महामान्य राज्यपाल महोदय प्राकृतिक सौंदर्य एवं परिवेशगत गुरुत्व को प्रदर्शित करुवा एक चित्ताकर्षक पुस्तक जहाँ डीएफओ हीराकुद द्वारा लिखित एवं विभाग द्वारा प्रकाशित आपण उच्चस्त करताली रे हमें अभिवादन जनाइबु। डीएफओ हीराकुद द्वारा लिखित एवं विभाग द्वारा प्रकाशित द रिगार्ड द वाइल्ड हेरिटेज ऑफ इंडिया। Services
Odisha takes a decisive step to protect its wildlife. The Forest and Wildlife Wing rolls out Hostile Activity Watch Curve. HAWK is a smart digital case record system to track and monitor wildlife cases across various levels and codes. With HAWK, our forests are safer, our response is faster, and our wildlife stands stronger.
वन्यप्राणी संरक्षण पर उल्लेखनीय अवदान निमंते राज्य स्तरीय मुख्यमंत्री सम्मान 2025 प्रदत्त होउछि। डॉक्टर शरतचंद्र मिश्र जने विशिष्ट भारतीय अर्किडोलॉजिस्ट एवं उद्भिद विज्ञानी भारत अर्किड विशेषकर ओडिशा राज्य रे थिबा अर्किड बहुल अध्ययन पई से बेस जनाशुना एसारे जने इंजीनियर हेले मध्य अर्किड प्रति तंकर अगाध प्रेम अर्किड वर्गीकरण रे गुरुत्वपूर्ण भूमिका ग्रहण करिछि। शरतचंद्र मिश्र felicitated for his remarkable contribution to wildlife conservation. The most coveted state level Chief Minister's Award 2025 is being given away has been given to Dr. Sarat Chandra Misra. અમે આપણા વિશેષિત કરતાળી સહિત અમે કરી અને ગૌરવાન્વિત કર્યું છે ચોક્કસપણે રાજ્યસ્તરીય વલ્લભભાઈ સપ્તાહ પાળન અવસરે ડૉક્ટર શરદચંદ્ર મિશ્ર પ્રભુએ જણે અંજલ મિશન 2021 ઓડિશા
બહિરે મોકલો જીવી ને તેવું એમથી
extend our gratitude and thanks to Dr. Sarachandra